the three models we learned. Model one, we learned the first one, we said x equal to float and then say 10.5, which is upper standard way, majority of the cases. Second model we learned is we say x equal to some string. For example, I say, you know, Anish dot, and we'll say lower. So on this string, you're calling a lower function and there is a period here. So this is your variable or constant. Or other ways you can say y dot lower, right? X equal to y dot lower, where y is a variable. Third model we learned is using, which is a variation of 1.2. Actually, this is a variation of the third model is variation of this, where you first import the library, import math, and then you say x equal to math dot, which is library name, dot function name, which is square root, and you say 100 the input. So you import math, and you say math dot, and then rest all is same. Basically, you insert here the name of the package. Okay. So these are the three ways we learned how to use functions.